Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yellow wafers at home full guide. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and gather all ingredients and tools before starting. Measure ingredients carefully and sift dry items together for uniform texture. Cream butter and sugar until light, then add egg and turmeric for color. Chill the dough briefly to make rolling easier and cut with a wafer cutter or knife. In this video, I will explain how to make yellow wafers at home full guide. Start by measuring 2 cups flour, 1/2 cup sugar, and 1/2 cup butter on a scale for accuracy. Whisk 1 teaspoon turmeric into the flour so color disperses evenly through the dough. Add 1 egg to bind, then mix until just combined to avoid tough wafers. Rest the dough chilled for 15 minutes before rolling. In this video, I will help how to make yellow wafers at home full guide. Line a baking sheet with parchment and space wafers 1 inch apart to prevent sticking. Bake at 350 degrees F for 8 to 10 minutes, watching edges for light brown color. Rotate sheet halfway if your oven has hot spots for even baking. Let wafers cool fully on a rack so steam escapes and they stay crisp and thin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.